The heavy-duty adjustable tripod comes with the following components: a lower and upper mast, 3 legs, leg extensions, braces, feet, and stakes, a crossarm and mounting bracket kit that consists of crossarm mounting hardware, a crossarm mounting plate, and crossarm brackets, a bag of 90mm bolts, washers, and nuts, a guy wire kit consisting of a guy wire fitting hardware, tripod guy wires, gripple cable clasps, 2 gripple release keys, a duck-built anchor drive rod, and earth anchors. A grounding kit consisting of a lightning rod, ground rod clasp, pipe ground clamps, and ground wire. The heavy-duty adjustable tripod also comes with a spares kit that includes several replacement parts. You will need the following tools for assembly of the tripod: hammers, a level, a measuring tape, gloves, a torque wrench and socket set, a hex key, wrenches, a flathead screwdriver, and most importantly, safety glasses.